Hello learners, welcome to my video lesson once again. In today's lesson, we'll discuss the prose chapter from your book at the high school, which is an extract of the autobiography of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation. So, this is a piece of one of his writings from the original writing, his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. So, before going to discuss this lesson, let us have a glimpse of Mahatma Gandhi or Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. You know, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 and he had the tragic death on 30th January 1948. And we call him the father of the nation because of his sacrifice for the nation, for the country, because it was Gandhi who brought us freedom. So, this lesson focuses on the life of Mahatma Gandhi. By that time, he was not Mahatma although, and he was simply Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. In this lesson, we will have a glimpse on his life at the high school, at Rajkot High School during the British time, you know. So, the story of My Experiments with Truth, Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule are some of the leading books written by Mahatma Gandhi. Pilamane, at the high school, ये होचे महात्मा गांधी को आत्मजीवनी, the story of my experiments with truth, सत्यर पथ जहाँकि आम ओडिया भाषा रे मध्य अनुदित होइछि तार गोटे अंश एठी आमे देखिबा जे गांधी जी हाई स्कूल रे तांकर जीवन केमती थिला से केमती करुथिले पिला माने तुमे मध्य हाई स्कूल रे पढुछ एवं आमर सुदीर्घ जीवन पथरे आम हाई स्कूल रो भूमिका बहुत किछि थाए आम हाई स्कूल रे आमर गुडाए खटा मीठा तिक्त अनुभूति थाए एवं से सब अनुभूति आमे परे साउटी थाउ एवं ताकु आमे मने पकई थाउ सेमती एक लेसन आमे पढिबा एट द हाई स्कूल बाय एम.के. गांधी. The first paragraph. Let us see what is there in the first paragraph of the text. I was not regarded as a fool at the high school. I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year. I never had bad certificates. In fact, I even won prizes after I passed out of the second standard. In the 5th and 6th, I obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively, an achievement for which I have to thank good luck more than my merits. You see, the lesson begins with the pronoun I. It indicates that it's an autobiography. Autobiography मान आत्मजीवनी एवं बायोग्राफी माने जीवनी. बायोग्राफी माने जनकर जीवनी अन्य कहीं जड़े लिखिथबो एवं ऑटोबायोग्राफी माने होची जड़े निजे निजर जीवनी लिखिथिबे. द लाइफ स्टोरी ऑफ ए पर्सन रिटन बाय हिमसेल्फ इज कॉल्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफी. मु कहिछि एटा होचे गोटे ऑटोबायोग्राफी कारण महात्मा गांधी से पुस्तक तार गोटे अंश एटा मात्र सेतिपई एड आरंभ करा जायछि फर्स्ट पर्सन आई रु. I was not regarded as a fool at the high school. What does Gandhi say about him? What does Gandhi say about him as a student at the high school? He says that he was not regarded as a fool at the high school. He was not considered a fool at the high school. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ହାଇସ୍କୁଲ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲେ ହାଇସ୍କୁଲରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମୂର୍ଖ ହିସାବରେ ବିବେଚନା ହେଉନଥିଲେ. ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ପିଲା ଥିଲେ. କାହିଁକି ନା we'll see in the next sentence, I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. तांको शिक्षक मानकर से सब बेले स्नेह पाउथले तेणुक निश्चय गांधी जड़े मूर्ख नथिले से जड़े बेवकूफ नथिले एक से निजे स्वीकार करिसंती एवं से पढ़ापढ़ी रे मध्य सेते भल नथिले मध्य सेते खराब मध्य नथिले. Therefore, Gandhi says he was not regarded as a fool at the high school because he always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. Then what happened? Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year. You see, in your life also it happens, in your school life, your parents receive the progress report sent by the school, and there is an addition here. Besides the progress report, the parents at that time used to get the report of character of the students. सेतेबेले कैरेक्टर माने चरित्रगत पिलार अग्रगति पिलार प्रगति गोटे हूँ पाठपढ़ा गोटे चरित्र ये उभय विषय प्रति वर्ष पेरेंट्स बा पितामाता को पठा जाउथला. गांधी कहउछंती आई नेवर हैड ए बैड सर्टिफिकेट. आई नेवर हैड ए बैड सर्टिफिकेट. So Gandhi says he never had a bad certificate. In fact, I even won prizes after I passed out of the second standard. जेतेबेले से कहते तांकर माने खराब सर्टिफिकेट नथिला एपरिकी जेतेबेले से द्वितीय श्रेणी पास कले सेतेबेले तांको विभिन्न प्रकार पुरस्कार मिलवा आरंभ होला. In the 5th and 6th I obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively. Respectively माने यथाक्रमे. An achievement for which I have to thank good luck more than my merits. जेतेबेले से पंचम श्रेणी रे लिखिचंती तांको विषय लिखिचंती when he was in class 5 he received a scholarship of rupees 4 and he was in class 6 he got a scholarship of rupees 10. से लिखिचंती पंचम और षष्ठम श्रेणी पढ़ुला समय स्कॉलरशिप मिलता 4 टंका एवं 10 टंका यथाक्रमे अर्थात पंचम श्रेणी रे 4 टंका हिसाब से स्कॉलरशिप मिलता एवं से जितेबले षष्ठ श्रेणी रे थिले 10 टंकार स्कॉलरशिप मिलता. एवं जो कृतित्व पाई अचीवमेंट माने कृतित्व जो कृतित्व पाई से तांकर गुड लक बा भाग्य को बेसी सेठी कहिचंती एथि मो भाग्य जोग मु पाइछि मो निजस्व योग्यता जोगु नुहे. एटा जने महान व्यक्तिर परिचय. दिस शोज द ह्यूमिलिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन लाइक गांधी जी बिकॉज he doesn't give the credit to himself and rather he gives the credit to his good luck. से कहिचंती ए जो स्कॉलरशिप पाई मो निजर बहादुरी अपेक्षा मो निजर गुड लक को बेसी बहादुरी देइछि. So this is all about in paragraph 1. Let me once again read it. I was not regarded. This is the essence of the first paragraph. In the essence of the summary of the first paragraph is that Gandhi was never considered a fool at the high school because he always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year, and he says that he never had a bad certificate. In fact, he started to win prizes after he passed out of the second standard, and he also at the same time in class 5 and 6 obtained scholarships of rupees 4 and 10 respectively. And for this achievement, he gives the credit to his good luck rather than his own merit. Then paragraph 2. My own recollection is that I did not have any high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships, but I very jealously guarded my character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. When I merited or seemed to the teacher to merit a review, it was unbearable for me. I remember having once received corporal punishment. I did not so much mind the punishment as the fact that it was considered my desert. I wept piteously. That was when I was in the first or second standard. I have provided you all the meanings here. मु समस्त मीनिंग तले लिखि देछि एवं जेतेबेले आलोचना कला समय मध्य कहूछि माय ओन रिकलेक्शन मीन्स मेमोरी स्मृति माय ओन रिकलेक्शन इज दैट आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी हाई रिगार्ड फॉर माय एबिलिटी मु आरंभ कहि गांधीजी ये महानतार परिचय नम्रतार परिचय कारण से विश्वास करते विद्या ददाति विनयम विद्या विनय भाव सिखाई थाए एंड दैट इज एप्लीकेबल इन गांधी माय ओन रिकलेक्शन इज दैट आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी हाई रिगार्ड फॉर माय एबिलिटी से कहते मोर जिते दूर मन पड़ुची मोर स्मृति जिते अच्छी मोर निजस्व दक्षता मोर क्षमता एथिपाई मोर निजर कौन सी मुझे क्रेडिट दे नी एथिपाई मोर निजस्व सम्मान नथिला कहीं आई यूज टू बी एस्टोनिश्ड व्हेनेवर आई वन प्राइजेस एंड स्कॉलरशिप्स से कहते जितेबाला भी कौन से पुरस्कार मिलूला स्कॉलरशिप मिलूला से आश्चर्य होते कारण से भावु नुले से लाइकर लोक अटंती बोली से भावु नी बट आई वेरी जेलसली गार्डेड माय कैरेक्टर गांधीजी सब इम्पोर्टेंट गुरुत्वपूर्ण है चरित्र से चरित्र को सब जगी रोते गार्ड मीन्स जगी रहा जेलसली माने केयरफुली बट आई वेरी जेलसली गार्डेड माय कैरेक्टर से कहते पाठ अपेक्षा मो पाई गुरुत्वपूर्ण थिला मोर चरित्र गठन तेणुक से चरित्र गठन को बेसी गुरुत्व दौले सेटा को से भल भाव जगी रोते द लिस्ट लिटिल ब्लेमिश ड्रू टीयर्स फ्रॉम माय आईज सामान्य कौन से जदि अपवाद तांको आसी थाए कौन से निंदा जदि आसी थाए कौन से कलंक जदि आसी थाए से आखिरु छल छल लुह बही जाउथला सेटा सही पार नथिले सेटा असह्य होतला व्हेन आई मेरिटेड or seemed to the teacher to merit a rebuke, it was unbearable for me. से कहते जितेबले से कौन सी दंडर योग्य हेले बा कौन सी शिक्षकों अनुसार से दंड पाइबार योग्य हेले तांको पई सेटा असह्य हो जाउतला आई रिमेम्बर हैविंग वंस रिसीव्ड कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट मीन्स फिजिकल पनिशमेंट बाय बीटिंग दंड दबा मारिबा बाड़ी साहाय्य पिटिबा या को कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट कहा जाए एवं से कहते थोड़े कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट ही रिसीव्ड कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट वंस ही डिड नॉट सो मच माइंड द पनिशमेंट एज द फैक्ट दैट इट वाज कंसिडर्ड हिज डिजर्ट से जितेबाला पनिशमेंट पाइले जितेबाला शारीरिक दंड से पाइले से बेसी गुरुत्व देले नहीं ताको माइंड कले नहीं कारण से भाविले से हकदार सेटा होची तांकर योग्यता इफ समबडी डिजर्व्स दैट बिकम्स हिज डिजर्ट डिजर्ट माने होचे सैटा इफ आई डिजर्व समथिंग दैट इज माय डिजर्ट इफ आई डिजर्व ए रिवार्ड देन द रिवार्ड बिकम्स माय डिजर्ट इफ आई डिजर्व अ पनिशमेंट देन द पनिशमेंट बिकम्स माय डिजर्ट सो डिजर्ट इज द नाउन फॉर्म ऑफ डिजर्व he did not mind the punishment as the fact that he considered it was his desert, therefore he wept piteously means helplessly से बहुत कांदिले that was when he was in the first or second standard he doesn't exactly recollect it he received this corporal punishment he was probably in class 1 or 2 so what did you learn from this paragraph? In this paragraph, Gandhi says that as far as recollection goes, he did not have any high regard for his own ability. Rather, whenever he got any prizes or scholarships, he became astonished. But the important point for him was to guard his own character, because he thought it to be most important. Therefore, the least little blemish drew tears from his eyes. So whenever he got a rebuke from his teacher, that became unbearable for him. And he remembers once having received corporal punishment. He did not mind the punishment so much because he thought that it was his desert. However, he wept piteously, and that was probably he was in the first or second standard. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. Dorabji Ajuldugimi was the headmaster then. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian, a man of method, and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football before they were made compulsory. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, which I now see wrong. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today, I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. There was another such incident during the time when I was in the 7th standard. से प्रथम कि द्वितीय श्रेणी कथा कहते तापर कहते आ गोटे कथा जिते से सप्तम श्रेणी में पढ़ुले व्हेन वाज इन क्लास 7. At that time his headmaster was Mr. Dorabji Aduldi Gimi. सी थे से हेडमास्टर. What kind of person was he? What was Mr. Gimi like? Mr. Gimi was very popular among the boys according to Gandhi. He was very popular among the boys. And what was the reason for his popularity? The reason was that he was a disciplinarian, a man of method, and above all, a good teacher. तांकर हेडमास्टर श्रीजुक्त गिमी से पिला मानक मध्यरे अति आपणार थिले, अति पॉपुलर थिले, कारण से जने डिसिप्लिनेरियन. A disciplinarian is a person who takes care of discipline very much. जे डिसिप्लिन देखते डिसिप्लिन somebody who never compromises on discipline, जे डिसिप्लिन compromise करते नहीं. A man of method, a man of rules and regulations, and above all a good teacher. से जने भलो शिक्षक थिले, नियम कानून नियम कायदा उपरे से बहुत परफेक्ट थिले, सेतिपाई पिलामान को भितरे से बहुत पॉपुलर थिले. मिस्टर गिमी. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Upper standard में upper class रे से higher class पाई gymnastics एवं cricket ए दुईटा से बाध्यतामूलक करथिले, कंपलसरी करथिले. एवं गांधी कहते he disliked both. उभय स्पोर्ट्स तांकु भल लागु नथिला. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football before they were made compulsory. गांधी जी को ए भीतर कौन सी भल लागु नथिला. He never participated in any exercise, any games or sports, and ultimately they were made compulsory. आउ सेटा तांकर हेडमास्टर बाध्य करथिले सब पिलांको पई. काहे पई से भल पाउ नथिले? What was the reason that he never liked it? My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness. एंती aloofness means indifference, उदासीनता, अलगा ही रहिबा. से तार कारण होची से काहारी सहित मिसी पार नथिले, अन्य पिला मानकठू से अलगा ही सबले रहउथिले. एवं सेटा होची तांकर लाजकुला मनोभाव. से भारी लाजकुला थिले, सेतपई से काहा सहित मिसी पार नथिले, जोथि पई से कोन से गेम स्पोर्ट्स इत्यादि से पार्टिसिपेट कर नथिले. जोटा से परवर्ती समय कहते सेटा तांकर भूल थिला. परवर्ती समय कहते व्हिच आई नाउ सी रॉन्ग. I had then the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. False notion, गलत धारणा, भूल धारणा. Notion means धारणा. तांकर सेतबेले आउ गोटे भूल धारणा थिला जे जिम्नास्टिक्स रो पाठपढ़ा सहित शिक्षा सहित कौनसी संपर्क नाही, जोथु पई से सेटा डिसलाइक करुथिले बा तांकर सहितरे इच्छा देउ नथिले. He never took part or he never liked any sort of games and sports because he thought that he had a wrong notion in his mind that gymnastics and sports had nothing to do with education. यार कौनसी संपर्क शिक्षा सहित नाही, भल पढ़िबा पई सब किछि दरकार नाही. Today I know that physical training should have much place in the curriculum as mental training. से कहते आज मु बुझीपारुची बड़ है एक कथा बुझीपारुची जे उभय शारीरिक शिक्षा एवं मानसिक शिक्षा उभय करिकुलम बेला में कौन बुझला कोर्सेस ऑफ स्टडी पाठ पढ़ार जो सिलेबस थाए से उभय जिनिस रहिबा कथा. both should have the place, both means there should be equal importance of physical training as well as the mental training. फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग आम कहूँ जोटा शारीरिक शिक्षा और मानसिक शिक्षा मान जोटा आम व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू आवर स्टडीज आम पाठ जोटा पढ़ु यहाँ हूँ मानसिक शिक्षा. सो हियर इन दिस second half of this paragraph 2, Gandhi describes another incident when he was in class 7. At that time, Mr. Dorabji Aduldi Gimi used to be his headmaster. He was popular among the boys because of his discipline and method and his teaching quality. Mr. Gimi made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for the boys of upper standard, and Gandhi disliked both. He never liked them. He never took part in any exercise that could be cricket or football, and ultimately they were made compulsory. And what was the reason that he never liked them? The reason was that his shyness. His shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, for this indifference towards these games and sports. And in his later life, he saw that that was wrong. Besides that, he had developed a wrong notion in his mind that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. And later on, he said that physical training should have the equal place in the curriculum as mental training. Let us see what is there in paragraph 3. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. As soon as the school closed, I would hurry home and begin serving him. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. I requested Mr. Gimi to exempt me from gymnastics so that I might be free to serve my father. But he would not listen to me. Now it happened that one Saturday when we had school in the morning, I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch and the cloud deceived me. Before I reached the school, the boys had all left. The next day, Mr. Gimi, examining the roll, found me marked absent. Being asked for the reason for absence, I told him what had happened. He refused to believe me and ordered me to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. Here he gives more explanation on his dislike for gymnastics or sports. The reason for my dislike was my keen desire to serve as nurse to my father. Keen desire means deep desire. Desire means ichha. And serve as nurse. Nurse means as an assistant. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେ କାରଣ ଏଠି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଡିସଲାଇକ୍ କରିବା ଜିମ୍ନାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ଭଲ ନ ପାଇବାର ତାର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାରଣ ହେଉଛି ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ପିତାଙ୍କର ସେବା କରିବା ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ହି ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଟିଟ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଟୁ ସର୍ଭ ହିଜ୍ ଫାଦର ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ସେବା କରିବାର ପ୍ରବଳ ଇଚ୍ଛା ତୀବ୍ର ଇଚ୍ଛା keen desire କାହିଁକି ନା as soon as the school closed, I would hurry home and begin serving him. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଉଥିଲା ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ 4 ବାଜି ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଘରକୁ ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ୁଥିଲେ ଘରକୁ ରସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଆସିକରି ତାଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କାମରେ ଲାଗି ଯାଉଥିଲେ. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. ଏବଂ ଏଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ compulsory exercise made by Mr. Gimi that came directly in the way of this service. Of which service? That means his service to his father. ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ସେବା କରିବାର ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରବଳ ଆଗ୍ରହ ଥିଲା ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ସେଇଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କର ହେଡ଼ମାଷ୍ଟର ଯେଉଁ କମ୍ପଲସରି ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ୍ ଯେଉଁ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ ସ୍କୁଲର ଅପର ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ସିଧାସଳଖ ସେଇଥିରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଫିୟର କରୁଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସିଧାସଳଖ ସେଇଥିରେ ବାଧା ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରୁଥିଲା. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କ୍ୟାମ୍ ଡିରେକ୍ଟଲି ଇନ୍ ଦ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ଦିସ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ୍. I requested Mr. Gimi to exempt me from gymnastics so that I might be free to serve my father. Then he requested his headmaster to exempt him. Exempt mane chhadi daba chhad kariba. So what did he request his headmaster? He requested his headmaster to exempt him from gymnastics. Why did he want to do so? He wanted to do so because he would be free to serve his father. ଯେପରିକି ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ସେବା କରିପାରିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ तांको जिम्नास्टिक्स रो छाड़ करबा पई से तांको हेडमास्टर को रिक्वेस्ट करथिले बट ही वुड नॉट लिसन टू मी आम जानी हेडमास्टर भारी स्ट्रिक्ट लोक तेणुकर सी शुणिले नहीं तांका कथा किछि भी नाउ इट हैपेंड दैट वन सैटरडे when we had school in the morning I had to come from home to school for gymnastics at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I had no watch and the cloud deceived me. सही समय सैटरडे जोटा थिला शनिवार दिन तांकर सकाळ स्कूल होतला एवं तांकर गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स जिम्नास्टिक्स क्लास सेटा अपराह्न समय आफ्टरनून रे होतला दिने कोन हेची से स्कूल आसी जंती तापर अपराह्न रे तांकर जिम्नास्टिक्स क्लास थिला से सेठिकी जिबा कथा से जेतेबेले सेठिकी पहुँचले प्रकृत से सेठिकी जाइथिले तांको जिम्नास्टिक्स क्लास को अटेंड करबा पई से जाइथिले से बट सेतेबेले आउ किछि नथिला सब पिला माने निज निज घर को चली जाइथिले एटा कोन पई एमती हला से कहते आई हैड टू कम फ्रॉम होम टू स्कूल फॉर जिम्नास्टिक्स एट 4 o'clock इन द आफ्टरनून तांकर 4 बजे सेठिको जिबा थिला किंतु तांको पाखरे घड़ी नथिला एवं सही दिन आकाश रे बादल ढांकी को रहितला जहा द्वारा से समय जानि परले ने ही जस्ट कुडंट कैलकुलेट द टाइम बिकॉज ही डिडंट हैव एनी वॉच देयरफॉर ही वाज चीटेड बाय द क्लाउड बादल द्वारा से ठकी हे गले डिसिप माने ठकीबा बिफोर आई रीच्ड द स्कूल द बॉयज हैड ऑल लेफ्ट से तबला स्कूल को पहुंचले पिला माने समस्ते सेठु चली जाइथिले तापरे केमति जणा पडिला The next day, Mr. Gimi examining the roll found me marked absent. परवर्ती दिन जेतेबेले जिम्नास्टिक क्लास रे को पिला माने थिले बा नथिले सेतेबेले रजिस्टर धरि के जेतेबेले मिस्टर गिमी तांकर हेडमास्टर आसिले एवं देखिले गांधी को जगह रे सेठी एब्सेंट लिखा हिची being asked for the reason of absence एठी मु कहबा को चाहे रीजन ऑफ एब्सेंस नुहे एटा होचे रीजन फॉर एब्सेंस बिकॉज रीजन परे प्रेपोजिशन फॉर लगी थाए ओरिजिनल राइटिंग रे भी फॉर अछि बीइंग आस्क्ड फॉर द रीजन फॉर एब्सेंस आई टोल्ड हिम व्हाट हैड हैपेंड ही रिफ्यूज्ड टू बिलीव मी एंड ऑर्डर्ड मी टू पे अ फाइन ऑफ 1 or 2 आनास जेतेबेले तांको पचरा गला से काहे के अटेंड करले नाही गांधी जी समस्त कथा कहिले जहा जहा घटिथिला कि तांको पाखरे घड़ी नथिला बादल द्वारा से ठकी हो गले समय जानी पारे नहीं किंतु से सेठी प्रकृत रे जाइथिले तांको हेडमास्टर किछि विश्वास कले नहीं एवं तांको फाइन पकई देले 1 किंबा 2 अणा मन रख जे सेतेबेले अणा चलुतला 16 अणा रे गोटे टंका हेउतला आमे 4 अणा बा 25 पैसा 8 अणा बा 50 पैसा आमे जानिछु अतबे 16 अणा रे गोटे टंका हेउतला तांको 1 किंबा 2 अणा फाइन पड़ीला सो Gandhi says in this paragraph that one of the reasons for his dislike for gymnastics was that his keen desire to serve his father as a nurse. As soon as the school closed, he would hurry home and begin serving his father, and compulsory exercise was an hindrance in this service to his father. He requested his headmaster to exempt him from his gymnastics class so that he would be free to serve his father, but his headmaster didn't listen to him. Then he describes the incident of one Saturday, and there was school in the morning and he had to attend the gymnastics class at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. He had no watch and he was deceived by the clouds because that was a cloudy day. There was the sky was overcast. So before he reached school, the boys had all left. The next day, Mr. Gimi, after examining the roll, found him marked absent. He asked Gandhi the reason for his absence. Gandhi told him everything, but he was never convinced. He refused to believe him, and ultimately he ordered Gandhi to pay a fine of 1 or 2 annas. I was convicted of lying. Convicted means found guilty. आरोपित हवा I was convicted of lying. That deeply pained me. How was I to prove my innocence? There was no way. I cried in deep anguish. I saw that a man of truth must also be a man of care. This was the first time and last instance of my carelessness in school. I had a faint recollection that I finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. The exemption from exercise was of course obtained as my father wrote himself to the headmaster saying that he wanted me at home after school. गांधी एटी कहते पैराग्राफ 4 रे अजथारे तांको दोष दिगला ही वाज कन्विक्टेड ऑफ लाइंग जड़े मिछुआ हिसाब रे तांको दोषारोप करागला सेटा तांको गभीर जंत्रणा देला से भांगी पड़िले हाउ वाज ही टू प्रूव हिज इनोसेंस से जे दोषी नुहंती से निर्दोष एक कथा को से प्रमाण करि परले नाही कौन से रास्ता नथिला देयर वाज नो वे आई क्राइड इन डीप एंग्विश गांधी क्राइड इन डीप एंग्विश गभीर मानसिक जंत्रणा से कांदिले तापरे सेठु से शिक्षा पाइले देन ही गॉट ए लेसन फ्रॉम देयर दैट अ मैन ऑफ ट्रुथ मस्ट आल्सो बी अ मैन ऑफ केयर जने सत्य पथरे जदि जीवाको चाहे सत्यवादी होबाको जदि चाहे ताहले जने व्यक्ति केयरफुल हवा निहाती आवश्यक प्रत्येक रे यत्नशील हवा उचित एमती अवहेला करबा उचित नुहे. That was the lesson he learned from that incident, that a man of truth must also be a man of care. He says that that was the first time and that was the first and last instance of his life of being careless in school. The school रे careless हबार सेटा होची तांकर प्रथम एवं शेष घटना तापरे सेमतिया घटिनी. I had a faint recollection that I finally succeeded in getting the fine remitted. Remit means cancel करिवा. Faint माने झपसा. Slight. I had a faint recollection तापरे से just जहाँ तांकर मने पड़ुची झपसा मने पड़ुची से सरे से फाइन टी कैंसल करिवारे सक्षम हो पारले. The exemption from exercise was of course obtained. तापरे ए जो एक्सरसाइज रो exemption तांको छाड़ करिवाटा एक्सरसाइज कंपलसरी एक्सरसाइज रो तांको छाड़ करिवाटा एटा मध्य से करि पारले कारण तांको बापा से हेडमास्टर को लिखिले जे तांको छुट्टी परे पिलार निहाती दरकार थिला. हेडमास्टर कन्विन्स ले एवं आगो को आओ गांधी जी को सेठी जिम्नास्टिक्स क्लास पई आ जुबा को पड़िला नाही. देन ही वाज exempted ultimately from the gymnastics class. So that's the end of the first part of my video and we will move on to the second part in my next video. Until then, bye. See you in the second part of the video.